Hardik Ukani, Vasu Healthcare, MD, Vadodara. The global herbal medicine market is expected to reach approximately 400 billion US dollar by 2025. Major share of herbal medicine include herbal pharmaceutical, herbal cosmetic, herbal supplement and herbal food. Also, there is a surge in the acceptance of made in India product in countries like Europe, USA, Russia and MENA regions. Some of the major challenges faced by the Ayurvedic industry are lack of the respect from modern practitioner, lack of the standardized herbal raw materials, lack of the documentation and the scientific research like quality control, procedure, process validation, toxicity and efficacy profile of the drug, and product regulatory compliance. It is not as per the globally accepted standards. India is known for its ancient system of medicine called Ayurveda. It adopts holistic system and it's quite natural. This makes it globally acceptable and post-corona, it has become immensely popular. Opportunities are endless. Some of the growth drivers are number one, limited number of organized Ayurvedic industries, hence huge potential for development, and secondly, inclusion of herbal plant in FSSAI guideline as herbal supplements. For all your lifestyle disorder, I think the only solution is Ayurveda. Look at our stress level, examine our food behavior, office routine, sleep pattern, immunity to name a few. If you examine COVID-19, it is all about hygiene and misplaced ecology. Save some time to explore Ayurveda. It will resolve all your modern day health problems. Ayush is doing a great job. The Ministry of Ayush has been taking immense interest in overlooking the growth of the Ayush system. Many reforms have been made in its development like subsidy for research, capital investment, growth of MSME business. It has also collaborated with WHO for research in Ayurveda and also taken initiative for promotion of Ayush product for exports. New regulations are being introduced for strengthening of Ayush systems. The Ministry of Ayush has also created an online license portal, e-Aushadhi, for Ayush product. Established in 1980, Vasu Healthcare is engaged in manufacturing and marketing of Ayurvedic and herbal products. We focus on scientifically developed and clinically evaluated products which are free from harmful chemicals. All our products are developed at DSIR accredited R&D lab, Vasu Research Center. As of now, we are manufacturing over 200 plus products. We have a state-of-art manufacturing facility at Vadodara, complying with stringent international quality standards. At Vasu Research Center, we create formulations and new products with clinical studies. Our R&D facilities are equipped with state-of-art instruments like ICP-MS, HPTLC, flash chromatography, HPLC, GC and many more. Our team is currently working on therapeutic segments like dengue, psoriasis, PCOS and menopause to name a few. Shortly, we will be launching innovative drug in the management of TB, diabetes, stress and many more. Our packaging is at par with the global standards. We will soon be entering the nutraceutical segment. Apart from that, we are also working on the expansion of Vasu Naturals range. We will be adding hygiene related products in our basket in near future. We are also planning for expansion in R&D in nanotechnology.